Hi friends! This is Krishna. As you've seen on the thumbnail, we have drawn a spooky skeleton dancing. Since it's Halloween time, you can hang this on your wall for decoration, or maybe you could just draw it for fun. If you would like to watch the whole thing, and if you would like to draw this, make sure to watch till the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy! Alright, let's begin drawing our skeleton. First, we're going to make the hat. We're going to make one line this way. We're going to make one line this way. And then we're going to make two short lines above that line. Then we're going to connect those short lines together. Now we're going to make two lines going up and then connecting those two together. Now we're going to make that little ribbon part of the hat. We're going to make one line there. And then our hat is done. Now we're going to make the face of our skeleton. We're going to make one line here, or one curvy line there, and then another curvy line here. Okay, now we're going to make two lines going down from that line. Then we're going to connect those two. Now we're going to make one line here and one line here. Then we're going to make an oval shape for the eye and fill that in. Now we're going to make the skeleton's neck. We're going to make one rectangle here, one here, and a circle here. Then we're going to make another bone. We're going to make a curvy bone. We're going to go like here. We're going to make like a spaghetti shape. Then from here, we're going to make another spaghetti shape. And then we're going to connect those two together. Now we're going to make the hands. We're going to make two circles on each side of this little spaghetti shape to connect the hands. So these are basically the shoulders of the skeleton. Then we're going to make one line going up, or not one line, one circular line. One circle, a tiny one. Another shorter line going up, and then we're going to make the cane. We're going to make one straight line going down and another straight line going down. Then we're going to connect those two lines together, make another line on the bottom. Then we're going to make a half circle here, and we're going to make one finger here, one finger here, and one finger here. Now, we're going to make the other hand. The other hand's going to be going this way. It's going to be like a triangle shape. So, first we already made our shoulder. Now, we're going to make one line, or one curvy line going down. And then a circle. And then a shorter curvy line going down. And then we're going to make the hands. We're going to make one finger here, one finger here, one finger here, and one finger here. And then we're going to pretend that there's a circle over there. Now we're going to make little squares everywhere. Not everywhere, we're going to make them in a line. So we're going to make squares, one circle, squares. Now we're going to make a line like this. We're going to make one curvy line here. Make sure you make this one a little bigger. And now we're going to make the legs. We're going to make one curvy line here and another one over here. This leg is going to be going straight down, and this leg is going to be going this way. So first we're going to make a circle here, Then we're gonna make a little line going this way. And then we're gonna make a U shape or a smiley face. And then we're gonna curve that line. It kind of looks like a shoe. And then we're gonna make 4 toes. Now we'll do the same thing on the other leg. We're gonna make 1 circle, and then a line going this way. And then we're gonna make a circle here. Make sure it's a little bigger than that one. And we're gonna make 4 circles here. It looks like our skeleton is jumping or running. Now, we're gonna color our skeleton. The colors I'll be using is a gray crayon, a yellow highlighter, a green highlighter, red and blue markers, and a metallic pen. This one's the color silver. Let's start coloring.